In the Random Access file this week, U.S. sales of PCs increased by 26% this past year, with IBM reclaiming its position of top computer seller from Apple. Compaq posted the year's biggest growth, more than doubling its U.S. computer sales this past year. Microsoft has introduced more than 5,000 software developers to Chicago, the next major version of the Windows operating system. They also got the word that it's now possible to write programs that will be usable on all of Microsoft's operating systems. By utilizing the Win32 application interface and OLE technology, developers can now write 32-bit programs that will run on Windows 3.1, Windows Chicago, Windows for Workgroups, Windows NT, and Cairo. The information superhighway got a boost this week from Bellcore, the research group owned by the 7 baby Bells. Bellcore will head up a research collaboratory that will search for practical ways for consumers to access the national digital infrastructure. Groups involved in the project include ABC News, Digital Equipment Corporation, Hewlett-Packard, and the Media Lab at MIT. Some of the services you can look forward to include electronic shopping malls, multimedia messaging, electronic libraries, and interactive multimedia entertainment. O'Reilly & Associates says its new Internet in a Box product will make it easier to access the digital superhighway. The Internet in a Box is a kit containing TCP/IP applications and connection services, a copy of the whole Internet User's Guide and Catalog, and a subscription to the Global Network Navigator online service. It'll be available for PC users in a few weeks and for Mac users sometime in 1994. A New York-based company called CD-ONE will record up to 400 floppy disks of your data onto CD-ROM and deliver the disk back to you in a couple of days, all for less than $200. CD-ONE says the savings in storage for graphic images or customer files will pay for the cost of the transfer service. Lifestyle Software Group has a new offering designed to strengthen specific hemispheres of your brain. Multimedia HiQ for Windows is a modern alternative to traditional IQ tests, offering graphics, music, and sound along with tests which calculate your probable IQ range. HiQ sells for $49.95. Cyberdreams has announced the release of Cyber Race, a 3D combat and racing simulation game designed by film futurist Sid Mead. Cyber Race features landscape rendering technology, actors and dialogue, sound effects, and cinematic race sequences. Cyber Race is available for DOS or on CD-ROM. And you can find out all about the latest information on computer games, interactive multimedia, and CD-ROM in a new monthly publication called Electronic Entertainment. Features will include technology updates, game reviews and ratings, and hardware advice. The January '94 issue is on newsstands now. That's it for this week's Computer Chronicles. I'm Janelle Stelson.
Computer Chronicles is brought to you in part by Intel, microprocessor technology for the software of today and tomorrow. Intel, the computer inside. Additional funding is provided by the Software Publishers Association, providers of educational materials to help manage software. Don't copy that floppy. And by Hewlett-Packard, Personal Computer Division.
Video cassette copies of this program are available. Computer Chronicles also publishes a companion newsletter containing details on products demonstrated and information on program topics. To order a video cassette or a newsletter, call 1-800-799-4949 or write Computer Chronicles. Please specify program subject for tapes. All orders include a free software program for auditing software use and information on the definitive guide to keeping your organization's software legal.